Hello, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make a light, really refreshing salad, apple salad. I remember my grandmother used to make this all the time and we loved it, especially as kids. So let's get started. I've got about 6 cups of chopped apple. I need to get moving on this right away before it starts turning brown. So to it, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped celery, 1/3 of a cup of chopped walnuts. This, of course, is optional. And I have a cup of miniature marshmallows. Now, if you have kids or grandchildren, what I used to love when I was little, when my grandmother made this, was she would use the different color marshmallows. They're like little flavor, and they look real bright and beautiful, and so kids will love this. I'm only going to put a cup in because this is going to be for adults tonight. We're having a little get together, so I don't want to make it too sweet. Now in here, what I have drained out all the liquids, I've got a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks and a 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges. And like I say, I didn't throw away the juice, I saved the juice, and we're gonna make smoothies later with it. But we'll dump that in. Now for the mayonnaise, this is what's always hard, because this is the kind of salad you just kind of put in whatever you want until you get the consistency you like. I'm going to start with a cup of, and I use olive oil mayonnaise. Okay, so we're just going to stir this all up. And what I like about the celery adds kind of a nice little extra crunch, as well as the walnuts. And you can use pecans. So I added about half a cup of more mayonnaise, so that's going to be a total of about 1.5 cups. Now, if you like extra sweetness or maybe extra fruit, you can just call this a fruit salad, I guess. You could add craisins or raisins or any kind of maybe dried fruit. So what we're going to do is have this all stirred up, then we're going to let this sit in the refrigerator, cool off. And we'll put it on a little serving dish and we'll try it. It's very simple. It was about maybe 15 minutes of prep time and about, 5 minutes to actually make the salad. So we'll put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours and then we'll try it. We're gonna taste our fruit salad or apple salad. Oh, I got one of the pineapples, that's good. What I really like about this is all kind of different textures. You got the little mushiness of the marshmallow, then crunchy of the celery and the walnuts, and the mayonnaise just takes on a whole new taste, I think, when you mix it with the fruit like this. I just love this stuff. So let's give Catherine a taste.
Pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple's great.
That is something else.
And that's just canned pineapple. If you use fresh pineapple, it'll even be better, I think. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you.